guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing if Palmer clay can fit into slime. So I'm going to have Campton hold the camera. So can you hold the camera for me?
Let's see. Bye-bye, Mr. Fly.
Okay, so this is the slime. And this is the Palmer. Can they see it?
Yeah.
Alright, this is the Palmer clay we have. So that's what we're going to be using.
Super Palmer clay.
They say Palmer clay is not good with slime. Well, I'm about to prove that today.
Whoa.
Alright, here's the Palmer clay, you guys.
Look at that piece of trash.
We're going to pick it up after.
Oh, gosh. Yes. Wait, where? Oh, here it is.
Okay. I'm going to try to get this out.
Oh,
Here.
so it's white colored.
Yeah, it's colored white.
Are you gonna color it? Color the clay?
Nah, I think I'm good.
Okay.
Alright, oh! Okay, so we're going to get one piece of the slime out. Because if it does happen to mess it up, I don't want my whole batch of slime to be messed up. So we're just going to get a little piece.
Little pig.
Alright, here it is. I'm going to set it on my leg. And this is going to be my personal, so don't worry. I'm not going to sell this. I'm going to set it on my leg. Hopefully it doesn't get... Yeah. Okay. So here it is.
I'm gonna back up a little while, okay?
Okay. Alright. Wait, can I see? Oh. Okay. So we're getting the clay out.
Ooh,
Alright.
that looks nice.
Alright, so now we're going to test it if it's good with slime. Usually I would put lotion in this before I add it to the slime because it makes it softer. But it's okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to mix this in. It's hard to mix. It's a little hard to mix in.
Yeah. Oh, Sissy, you got a text from your toy thing.
Okay. I'll answer it later.
Okay.
Who's it from?
I don't know. I didn't read it, and I didn't read it.
Okay. So you guys, this does have a little bumps. It does make you have little bumps on them.
Wait, Sissy, can I show them our neighbor's big helmet?
Cancer, I don't think that's safe.
Why?
I don't think that's safe. Don't do that.
Why?
Because it's not safe.
Why?
Because it's not safe.
That doesn't answer my question.
I don't know what else to answer because it's not safe because we don't have permission to, Campton.
Tails, that means you got to tell me.
Okay. Alrighty. So Campton, do you want to fill the slime or do you just want to hold the camera?
I'll feel it.
Alright. It's a little sticky. This clay does make it stickier, to be honest with y'all.
Yeah. I do too. That's because it helps get the slime off faster.
Yes. Okay. So here is this is kind of like a testing experiment because we don't know. This is like experiment.
Bubbles.
So yeah, I feel like this is just makes your slime stickier and
at least it makes it stretchier too.
yeah.
The stickier, the stretchier.
That's not really true, but
Someone told me it.
think of glue, Kenton. It's sticky, right? Does it stretch much? Exactly.
That's because it ain't slime.
what happens if you add Play? Remember when I told you watch the camera, Camden? Remember I told you when you add Play-Doh to slime, it melts into glue? Well,
Ooh, bubble.
that was slime, and now it's glue. So yeah.
Okay, but glue doesn't make stuff. But glue isn't stretchy. Get off me, fly!
Yeah, we're outside, you guys, because our thing is getting on a little construction.
Yeah. And our dad banned us from having slime in the house.
It was a little mishap that he blamed me for that I didn't do. But it's okay, because, yeah. I never could understand how to keep slime in the house. Campton, can you watch the...
I am. You may have supposed to show it to your hand or that slime.
Yeah, post it to the slime.
Okay. Whoops. I accidentally put my hand in the way. But it's out now.
So you guys, you can see there's like little bumps. On here, you can see I didn't use it all, but there's little bumps.
And this is my hand.
So this is the end of the video. Wait, can you stop touching it for a second?
Sure.
So you can see it puts little bumps in your slime. Oh gosh, sorry. Okay, it puts little bumps in your slime. Doesn't make it look good. It's just not. Yeah, it doesn't make it look good. It's. I guess they were right. It's not good for slime. So yeah,
I like it.
Alright, bye guys. Oh, make sure to subscribe.